It's another sunny day in the town of Everyday, and Dadago is dropping Maya off at Lucy Help's house while he heads to an important meeting.
Bye, everyone. See you later.
Not that much later, it looks like Dadago's hit a snag.
Looks like a flat tire. Oh, crumbs. I don't have a spare. And if I don't get going soon, I'll miss my meeting.
Is this an emergency?
No, but it's very important. Oh.
What about the train, Dada?
Of course, the train. If I run, I'll just have time to catch it.
Bye, Dada.
Well, now Dada goes off to his meeting, I think it's lunchtime. How do fried eggs sound?
That would be lovely, Dada Help. Ooh, yes, please.
Right, fried eggs it is. Dada Help to Mama Help. We need fried eggs on the double. Fried eggs, over.
Why did Dada Help run away?
Attention! 5 minutes to eggs.
What's that?
Oh, that's the lunch alarm.
The lunch alarm?
Come on, I'll show you what it means. It's my family's job to help fix all the emergencies in Everyday. When someone has an emergency, they call us on the emergency phone.
Are there lots of emergencies in Everyday?
No, but we have to be ready all the time, just in case. That's why we have the alarm.
Oh, what's all this stuff for?
For going up and down fast in an emergency. We practice every day.
Hello, kids. Can't stop to talk. We'd better hurry, Grandma Help. Grandma Help?
Up here!
I don't know how you do it, Grandma. See you two at lunch.
Wow!
Has anyone seen my right shoe? I've only got 10 seconds before I have to find it.
Are we allowed in this net, Lucy?
Sure, let's climb.
Attention! 1 minute to eggs.
Oh, lunch is nearly ready. This way.
Is that Mama Help?
Yes, it is, Maya. This is just my emergency fire safety suit.
When it comes to cooking eggs, fire safety is no yoke in the Help House. That's one way to do the washing up.
Attention! Fried eggs are ready.
7 minutes, 3.5 seconds. Good practice time.
If there's an emergency, we'll be ready to get there lickety-split.
Tuck in, everyone.
Ooh. Lucy, is that lunch again?
That's the emergency phone. It's ringing.
But the emergency phone never rings.
What do we do when the emergency phone rings again?
Answer it?
Well, Bouse, this is Grandma Help.
This is Terry Drive on the Everyday train. There's a tree blocking the tracks, and the train is trapped.
Oh, no. I'm running out of time.
Helps, we've got an emergency. A tree's blocking the train tracks. Let's go.
Look at them go! With speeds like this, they're sure to get to the train in no time. And Maya's about to find out that it's not just the train that needs to get moving. So does Dadago.
Hey, my Dada's on this train. Dada!
Maya? What are you doing here?
I'm rescuing you.
Dada Help to Mama Help. We'll move the tree with these ropes. Over.
Got it. I'll get the fire engine ready. Over. Lucy, Maya, stand back.
Working together, the Help family moved the tree in no time. They're really showing that practice makes perfect.
All clear, Terry Drive. Carry on.
Bye, Dada. Good luck in your meeting.
Thanks, Maya. Thanks, Helps.